hears that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
So today, let's all remember, we are firefighters, and whatever the emergency, firefighters stick together.
Stick together. Got it.
Well, if that's all, sir, Penny and I need to leave now.
We're doing a safety inspection at Mike Flood's workshop.
Ah, yes, of course. Off you go, then. Right, Cridlington, time for a nice cup of tea.
Oh, brilliant. I'll have 4 sugars, please.
Cridlington, you're making the tea, not me.
Oh, right.
Careful with that. It's my special seaside souvenir mug.
Sorry, Station Officer Steele.
There you are, Mandy.
Thanks, Bronwyn.
Hello, Bronny.
Hello, Dad. Hi, Nipper.
Down, boy, down. Stop that.
Oh, dear. That dog's running rings around you, Dad.
He's usually very well behaved. Oh, get off. He can smell the food. It's making him all excited.
Talking of food, I've made you a sausage sandwich for your lunch.
Oh, my favourite. Thanks, Bronny. Not for you, boy.
I'm really looking forward to going on your train this afternoon, Mr. Griffiths.
Oh, talking of which, I'd better make tracks. I need to get the Pontypandy Flyer ready for action.
See you later, Dad. Have a good trip.
Through thick and thin, whatever the weather, firefighters always stick together. Oh no! Station Officer Steele's special mug. Oh, I have to fix it, and fast. Aha! Glue.
Nipper, stop yapping. This is my sandwich and you're not having it. Time to get this engine stoked up and ready to roll.
Oh no! There's sticky glue everywhere.
Cridlington, where's that tea?
Oh no! I have to fix this mug before Station Officer Steele finds out I broke it. Coming, sir.
And I got a smoke alarm, just like you said, Sam.
Excellent. Now we'll just test it's working.
Sounds fine to me.
You've passed the safety inspection with flying colours, Mike. Well done.
Great! I'll stick the kettle on and we can have a nice cup of tea to celebrate.
I wonder if he'll notice.
Cridlington! Why are you sitting there? What's going on? And where's my tea?
Well, it's like this, sir.
Why are you stuck to that chair, Cridlington?
I was mending your special mug. I must have used too much glue.
Great steaming puddings. Looks like I'll have to pull you free. Ready? It's no good. It won't budge. What? Hey, what? Oh, there's glue on the back of this chair. Now I'm stuck too. Silly boy.
This is all very exciting.
It's not that exciting. I've been on loads of trains.
Norman. Well, we're looking forward to it, aren't we, Mandy?
Oh, yes, Mum. Look, here comes Mr. Griffiths now.
Climb aboard, ladies. And Norman. Come on, Nipper. You can wait in the garden until I get back. flask of tea. I've left it inside. Brakes on. It'll only take me a second. What in heaven's name? No! Stop! Come back!
Master Crittlington, I can hear an emergency coming in. We have to get to the office. Well, don't just sit there, Crittlington. Tear it off and read it out.
Oh no.
What? What?
It's Gareth up at the train station. The Pontypandy Flyer's gone off without him, and there's a whole carriage load of passengers on board.
The microphone, quick! Hold it up in front of my face. Oh! Sam! Tom! We have a serious runaway train situation. Rendezvous at the station immediately. I repeat, immediately.
Helen and Mandy are on that train.
Don't worry, Mike. We'll stop it in time.
I love a good train journey.
Boring old trees, boring old grass. Ugh.
Don't be such a grump. This is fun.
Nipper?
What's that, my treasure?
Nipper is driving the train, ma'am.
Stop being silly, Norman.
Well, look for yourself then.
Oh! He's right! There's no driver!
What? Where's Gareth?
There's a dog driving the train.
Well, I hope he knows where he's going. Oh! Did you just say a dog was driving the train?
Not so boring now.
Tom, Sam, thank goodness you're here. You have to stop that train before it hits the buffers at the end of the line.
No problem, Mr. G. Hop aboard, Sam.
Oh! I feel sick.
Look! Up there! It's Tom Thomas in his helicopter!
He's lowering somebody in a harness. It's Fireman Sam!
Hello, Nipper. Didn't know you had a license to drive one of these things.
That was incredible.
Oh, thank goodness. Sam stopped us in the nick of time.
Hooray for Fireman Sam!
Nipper was the best train driver ever! That wasn't boring, that was awesome! When can we come again, ma'am?
Emergency over.
We brought you back a Pontypandy Railway souvenir mug, sir. Station Officer Steele?
You all right, sir?
Yes? I'm a bit, stuck.
Stuck?
Station Officer Steele was demonstrating how firefighters should always stick together.
Yes, exactly. That's what it was. A little exercise in teamwork. But, if you could unstick us now, Sam, I'd be, very grateful.
No, I'm sorry, sir. It's not funny.
Move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.